Alright, you can do this with any image that has a solid background. Any solid background can be removed, but we're just going to use AI to create a image to make it simple and quick. So we're going to go ahead and create some graffiti with a solid black background. And as soon as that's done, we'll save that. And we'll head over to PhotoMatter. And we will import the image. Now we can do 4K, 2K, 1K. We're going to do 4K. You can preserve your aspect ratio, but we're going to go ahead and make it a square. Our background is already black, so we're going to leave that. We're going to remove the background and add the alpha. And then we will generate. If you're doing 4K, it's going to take a little bit for your GPU to generate. There we go. All right. You can see we have channel packing, we have our roughness, we have our AO, our normal, our height, and our diffuse. We're going to head over to export, browse for the folder you want to put it in, create a folder. If you don't have one already made, select that folder and export your material. Now, in Blender, we are going to add a mix shader. We'll add a principal shader. And if you don't have Node Wrangler, you should probably install Node Wrangler. We will pick our textures. I'm not going to set up the channel packed map. Maybe a separate video someday showing that. I'm going to get rid of the displacement. We're going to put that into a height, a bump map, bump node, and plug the normal into that, and plug that into the normal. And we're going to take off repeat and put clip. We're going to bring out a mix color. We're going to set that to multiply, and we're going to plug our AO into that. Then we're going to plug our alpha into the factor of the mix shader. And you can already see, we'll set up another UV map, and we'll name this graffiti. Alright. And we'll unwrap that. We'll take everything that we don't want, have any texture on it, and stick it in the corner. Oh, we got to go back and select that UV map real quick. Just delete this, add that UV map that we just made. Here we go, we'll select it from the drop down. Perfect. Alright, now we can go back to the UV editor. We can select the area where we'd like to put the decal. And we'll just unwrap that part. Now we can move it around and scale it and place the decal wherever we would like. And you can do this with moss, rust, grime, dirt. You can put as many as you want. And that is how you quickly make and put on decals in Blender with PhotoMatter. Thanks for watching.